Hello, and welcome to Sleep and Speak, bedtime stories to learn English and sleep. Get cozy, close your eyes, and let's begin. Today's story is called Sabrina and the Magical Shoes. That night, Sabrina closed her eyes and fell into a gentle dream. In her dream, the magic shoes appeared once more. They glowed softly and lifted her into the night sky. She floated higher and higher, past the rooftops and the trees. The stars twinkled like tiny lanterns guiding her way. Sabrina stretched out her hands and touched the silver moon. The moon smiled, and a gentle breeze carried her across the sky. She hopped from star to star, each one warm and kind. A family of fireflies flew beside her, glowing like little friends. Together, they drifted through clouds shaped like soft pillows. Far below, she saw oceans that shimmered like blue glass. She saw mountains glowing with golden snow. Sabrina laughed, feeling light as a feather in the sky. At last, the shoes carried her gently back to her bed. She slept peacefully, knowing the magic shoes would always be there in her dreams. The end. Good night, dream well, and see you tomorrow. Oh, I almost forgot. If you like our stories, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe.